Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download MetaTrader 5 for Windows. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open any web browser on your system. I recommend you will open Google Chrome and then search for MetaTrader 5. Now select the first website. Now select download MetaTrader 5 for Windows. Now open the setup. Select yes. Now select on next. Now it will install in your system. Just wait for few seconds. So that's how you guys can download your MetaTrader 5 on your system.
Incoming mail.
If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.